A new era of performance introducing the Porsche Taycan Turbo GT. The automotive world is undergoing a seismic shift, a transition from the roar of combustion engines to the silent surge of electricity. Leading this charge is Porsche, a brand synonymous with performance and prestige. The Taycan Turbo GT 2025 embodies this evolution, a thrilling testament to Porsche's commitment to crafting exhilarating electric vehicles. This isn't just an electric car. It's a Porsche, first and foremost. For over 7 decades, Porsche has been at the forefront of automotive engineering, consistently pushing the boundaries of performance and innovation. With the Taycan Turbo GT, Porsche takes a bold leap into the future, fusing its rich motorsport heritage with cutting-edge electric technology. The result? A machine that redefines what an electric sports car can be. The Taycan Turbo GT isn't just about raw power. It's about the experience, the feeling of exhilaration that only a Porsche can deliver. From the moment you grip the steering wheel, you know you're in for something special. This is a driver's car, designed to ignite the senses and leave a lasting impression. Unbridled power performance and specifications. Let's talk numbers, because the Taycan Turbo GT's performance figures are nothing short of astounding. Underneath its sculpted exterior lies a state-of-the-art electric powertrain that generates an incredible amount of horsepower. We're talking about a car that can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour faster than you can say Porsche. The heart of the Taycan Turbo GT is its advanced electric drivetrain. It boasts a tri-motor setup, with 2 motors powering the rear wheels and 1 driving the front. This configuration provides unparalleled traction and control, allowing the car to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a breathtaking 2 seconds. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The Taycan Turbo GT is also incredibly agile. It can handle corners with the precision and poise of a true sports car. This agility is thanks in part to its sophisticated suspension system and rear-wheel steering, which allow it to carve through corners with ease. A symphony of speed and style, design and aerodynamics. The Taycan Turbo GT is a head-turner, no doubt about it. Its design is a masterful blend of classic Porsche styling cues and futuristic elements. The result is a car that looks both timeless and cutting-edge. Every curve, every crease, every detail serves a purpose, optimizing airflow and enhancing performance. At the front, the Taycan Turbo GT features a low, wide stance that exudes aggression and athleticism. Its sleek LED headlights, reminiscent of the iconic 911, give it a distinctive and piercing gaze. Moving along the side, you'll notice the car's aerodynamically optimized silhouette, with smooth flowing lines that minimize drag and enhance stability. The interior of the Taycan Turbo GT is just as impressive, with a driver-focused cockpit that exudes luxury and sophistication. High-quality materials abound, from the supple leather upholstery to the sleek carbon fiber trim. The car's advanced infotainment system is displayed on a large touchscreen, providing access to a wealth of features and information. The future is now technology and features. The Taycan Turbo GT is a rolling showcase of Porsche's technological prowess. It's packed with advanced features designed to enhance performance, comfort, and convenience. From its innovative electric drivetrain to its state-of-the-art infotainment system, this car represents the cutting edge of automotive technology. One of the key technological highlights is the Taycan Turbo GT's 800-volt architecture, which allows for ultra-fast charging. This means you can replenish the battery from 10% to 80% in just under 20 minutes using a DC fast charger. This rapid charging capability makes long journeys a breeze. But it's not just about speed. The Taycan Turbo GT is also incredibly intelligent. Its advanced driver assistance systems work in the background to enhance safety and provide peace of mind. These systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, all designed to make driving easier and safer. Section 5. Electrifying advantages, setting new benchmarks. The Porsche Taycan Turbo GT isn't just a great electric car, it's a fantastic car, period. It offers a combination of performance, handling, luxury, and technology that's simply unmatched in the EV segment. It's a car that can thrill you on a winding road and then comfortably transport you across continents. One of the most significant advantages of the Taycan Turbo GT is its instant torque. electric motors deliver maximum torque from 0 RPM, which translates to lightning-fast acceleration. This instant response makes the Taycan Turbo GT incredibly responsive and exhilarating to drive. Another key advantage is its environmental friendliness. As an all-electric vehicle, the Taycan Turbo GT produces zero tailpipe emissions, making it a much greener alternative to traditional gasoline-powered cars. This eco-friendliness is a significant selling point for environmentally conscious consumers. Section 6. Facing the challenges. A look at the drawbacks. While the Porsche Taycan Turbo GT is an exceptional machine, it's essential to acknowledge its limitations. Like any other car, it has its drawbacks, primarily related to its high price and weight. However, these drawbacks are relatively minor when considering the car's overall capabilities. The most significant drawback is its price. The Taycan Turbo GT is an expensive car, putting it out of reach for many car buyers. Its high cost is due to its advanced technology, luxurious features, and exclusivity. However, for those who can afford it, the Taycan Turbo GT offers a truly unparalleled driving experience. Another challenge is the car's weight. The Taycan Turbo GT is a heavy car due to its large battery pack. This weight can impact handling and efficiency to some extent, but Porsche's engineers have done an admirable job of mitigating these effects through clever engineering and weight distribution. Badge carries a certain weight and prestige that's hard to match. Section 8. The legacy continues, cementing Porsche's position in the EV market. With the Taycan Turbo GT, Porsche has firmly established itself as a leader in the burgeoning electric vehicle market. The Taycan Turbo GT is not merely an electric car, it's a testament to Porsche's unwavering commitment to performance, innovation, and driving excitement. It's a car that embodies the future of the automobile. A future where sustainability and performance go hand in hand. The Taycan Turbo GT represents a significant milestone in Porsche's illustrious history. It's a clear indication that the brand is not content to rest on its laurels, but is actively shaping the future of the automotive industry. The Taycan Turbo GT is a glimpse into a future where electric cars are not just a viable alternative, but the preferred choice for discerning drivers. The Taycan Turbo GT's success is not just a win for Porsche, it's a win for the entire EV market. It proves that electric cars can be just as exciting and engaging to drive as their gasoline-powered counterparts. It's a car that challenges preconceived notions about electric vehicles and paves the way for a more sustainable future. Section 9. The final verdict. A testament to Porsche's engineering prowess. The Porsche Taycan Turbo GT is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's a statement that Porsche is not afraid to embrace the future of the automobile, a future where electric powertrains reign supreme. It's a testament to the company's engineering prowess, its ability to create a car that's both technologically advanced and emotionally engaging. This isn't just an electric car for the sake of being electric. It's a Porsche first and foremost, and that means it has to deliver on the brand's promise of performance, handling, and driving enjoyment. The engineers at Porsche have worked tirelessly to ensure that the Taycan Turbo GT lives up to these expectations, and the result is nothing short of exceptional. The Taycan Turbo GT is a car that has it all: stunning looks, blistering performance, cutting-edge technology, and a luxurious interior. It's a car that can turn heads on the road and set your heart racing on the track. It's the complete package, and it's a clear indication of what the future holds for Porsche and the EV market as a whole.